So I'm starting off with the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basic palette, and I'm going in with a very simple soft shade in the palette, and I'm just going to focus this product on the outer corner of my eye. These shades are so pigmented, you guys. This palette is absolutely beautiful. The shades are so buttery and so pigmented. They blend out so beautifully. I definitely will recommend this palette to anybody. It's probably going to be a bit expensive, although I did receive this one for free from Brit Dropson. She sent it to me, and it's absolutely stunning. So you can see, guys, this is now, I'm just going in with a second touch of that. I just dipped into my brush, I just dipped into the palette for the second time, guys, and as you can see, I'm barely even dipping my brush into the palette. I'm just dipping into it slightly and building it up. I only went in twice, and the pigmentation on just that shade that looks so light is absolutely amazing. So this is so simple. As you can see, guys, you just focus on the outer corner of your eyes, and now I'm going in with that bronze orange shade, and it's a shimmer shade, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner. So it's so simple, but the whole technique, you guys, to get that cat eye is just to focus the product on the outer part of your eye and blending it in, and not blending it in all the way, and putting the shimmer towards the inner part of your eye. And that is it. It is so simple, so bougie, and it is just beautiful. And taking my brush in and just blending that shimmer in ever so slightly, just so everything has a nice beautiful blend. This is so simple to do, and I think it's perfect for beginners. The best thing that you want to do when you're applying your makeup is just to blend. I'm just wetting the brush to do my inner corners. I'm going in with the gold shade, the second gold shade that you guys saw me going into, and I am focusing that on my inner corner. And obviously we spraying the brush because we want it to be more pigmented, we want it to pop a little more, and that is simply it, you guys. It is so basic and so simple and easy to do. So if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend you just working with two shades, with a matte and a shimmer shade, and you're good to go. Now I'm just taking the matte shade from the Urban Decay palette, and I'm focusing on my bottom, my under eye, and I'm just bringing it halfway through, and that's going to give you a really nice cat eye. And we're just going in some with mascara, and we're just going to put mascara on our eyelashes. Now you could just leave this look with mascara, but for me, I think towards the end I decided, okay, I'm going to add some lashes, because lashes really make this this look pop. But because it's for beginners, I decided not to add it into the video, but you will see at the end of the video I did a phone footage of me wearing the lashes, and I was talking, just mind me blabbing, I was just feeling myself. But just focusing that also on your bottom lash, and be very careful when doing this. I always take a little bit of the product and go over my brows. I don't really use a brow gel. I do sometimes when I'm in a rush, I just use my mascara. And that is about it. I'm going in with some my favorite lip gloss from my favorite butter matte lipstick from NYX. I also added a lip gloss over it, which my camera stopped recording and I wasn't able to record that part, but I did add some gloss over that as well. And that is about it, you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the beginning series. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for the eyebrow tutorial. I'm not sure if it will be up Friday or Saturday, but I'm hoping that I will have it up for you tomorrow, because I had to shoot that. So simple, so easy, so bougie. You're good to go. You cannot tell me that you cannot do that. It is so simple, you guys, and it is so bougie. Okay, so I actually did decide to do some eyebrows, put some eyelashes on, but that is really unnecessary. You guys don't have to put lashes. It looks quite nice with and without lashes. I'm not sure in this lighting situation if you can see, but yeah, we did end up doing lashes. So hope you guys have enjoyed the tutorial. Catch me again tomorrow for our chit chat. We're going to be talking makeup techniques and makeup brushes and what to use for what. Okay.